Look, I don't put out content just to put out content. I need to know with every single video that I drop that it's actually going to change something for you guys. And this one's different. Because I'm not going to sit here and tell you to sell some phone cases or a water bottle with a measuring attachment like every other dropshipper out there. I'm going to give you the 3 hottest dropshipping niches right now that me and my team have broken down. The customers, the angles, the numbers, everything. And to be completely honest, with the right execution, any of these niches could be your first $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, even £100,000 month with dropshipping. So sit down, get your notepad out, and let's get straight into this. Niche number 1, longevity and wellness products for 45 to 65 year olds. And before anyone clicks off, listen, because this is one of the most underserved niches in the entirety of e-commerce. Everyone's fighting over 18 to 35, Gen Z, millennials. It doesn't matter anymore. The reason why your ads are becoming so expensive is because all these big companies are all trying to get the Gen Z's attention. But frankly, we don't need to do that. There's an entire generation of 40-year-old, 50-year-old, 60-year-olds with way more disposable income than Gen Z in the first place. And barely anyone is marketing to them properly. And this is the opportunity. The longevity trend is massive in this age bracket. People aren't accepting getting old anymore, they're actively fighting it. They're spending serious money on products that make them feel better, sleep better, move better, and most importantly, live longer. Think products like joint support devices, red light therapy, sleep trackers, anything that improves their quality of life has potential. Your ICP is men and women 45 to 65. They're on Facebook and now they're on TikTok as well, so they're very cheap to market to. And here's the thing, this demographic aren't impulse buyers, so when they spend properly. Their average order value is always going to be way higher than the average Gen Z because they are simply foolish with their money. Best part is, they leave reviews, they tell people about your products, so you can actually get some sales from word of mouth too. The content angle here is so simple. Before and after, testimonials, emotional stories, and educational content around why the product works. The cost of goods on something like a red light device could be £5 to £10 to £15 at a push, and you can easily sell that for £40 to £60. The margin is there, the audience is there, and they are very cheap to market to. Most of your competitors are completely ignoring this niche right now, which is why it is absolutely printing. Niche number 2 is pet owners on the quality of life angle. And this one is honestly one of my favourites because I want you to understand something very simple about most pet owners. They spend more money on their pets than they do on themselves. That is just a fact. And that emotion, the genuine love that some people have for their animals is the strongest buying intent power you can ever have. But here's what I really want you to pay attention to. This is not just about selling some cute dog outfit or maybe a dog leash or a dog collar. No. The angle that is really working right now is improving the pet's quality of life. Pet owners are becoming more educated. They're thinking about their pet's joint health, anxiety, sleep, and diet. They want their animal to live longer and live better. Sound familiar? It's the exact same as niche 1, but instead of buying for themselves, they're going to be buying for their pets. The ICP here is pet owners. It could be any pet, it really doesn't matter to us. 25 to 55. They're on Instagram, they're on TikTok, they're constantly scrolling through pet videos. They already follow vets, dog trainers, pet nutritionists, everything like that, so they're very easy to target. And the UGC opportunities in this niche are so ridiculous. People already love filming their pets. I bet you've got a camera roll full of your pet already. So all you've got to do is reach out to these micro influencers because they really do not have an ego. They will film you thousands of videos just for sending them out the product. Think products like calming anxiety blankets, joint support cues, joint supplement chews, orthopedic pet beds, and dental care kits. Cost of goods on something like an anxiety wrap, £3 to £6 including shipping. You can easily sell that for £25 to £40. That is a massive markup and a massive margin to run ads with. Also, the upsell potential when it comes to pet products are ridiculous. If you're selling a calming anxiety wrap, just chuck some chews in their cart and they are always going to add it. Customer lifetime value in the pet niche is probably one of the best in the entirety of e-commerce. They buy once, their pet chews through it or their pet runs out of it and they buy again. Best thing is you can hook these guys on MRR, so doing a subscription model too. Tell me why you couldn't make that into $1 million brand. Niche number 3, new parents with the safety and protection angle. Right, this one is generally my favourite. Because when you become a parent, and I wouldn't really know, but I know something switches in your brain. Suddenly, money is not a barrier that it used to be. If a product is going to keep your baby safe or more comfortable, money is no object. And that psychology breaks down why this niche is so lucrative from a dropshipping perspective. New parents are one of the most emotionally driven buyers on the planet. The fear of something going wrong, the desperation for a good night's sleep, and the anxiety of whether they're doing it all right. That is the fuel for them buying your product. And honestly, finding winning products in this niche is a breeze. Your ICP is new parents and people expecting children, 22 to 38 years old. Mums are incredibly active on TikTok and Instagram. Mum Talk, which is just mum scrolling on TikTok, generally have one of the best and the most engaged communities out there. They share everything, and products that work once will generally become million-dollar brands because word of mouth goes so far in this niche. Think products like baby monitor accessories, things to improve the baby's sleep, safety devices that stop the baby hitting its head if it falls backwards, even temperature control devices for nurseries. The safety and the comfort angle on these products are so easy to market because the problem is so clear and the solution is even clearer. Cost of goods on something like a baby head protector, £4 to £8 at a push. Retail, you're selling that for £30 to £40. The margin is there and you have a massive budget to spend on ads. And the gifting and influencer marketing strategy with this product is even easier. So many mums don't have an ego when it comes to their influencer accounts, whether that's on TikTok or Instagram. So all you've got to do is send them out a free product and they will happily promote you until they die. And just like the pet niche, once a parent finds a brand that works, they buy, and they buy again and again and again. Launch one product and build a brand around it, then keep launching new products every couple of months. You'll find that your customer lifetime value is one of the most lucrative things in this niche. The organic growth potential with a new parent brand is truly unmatched, as long as you get your product and your branding right from the very beginning. So there you have it, 3 niches, 3 completely different audiences. But they all have one thing in common: strong emotion, real problems, and people who are already spending money on it. You just need to be the person they come to first. This is the kind of stuff that truly changed my life. E-commerce granted me complete financial, location, and time freedom at just 16 years old. If you want me to go deeper on any of these, come and join my free Discord. We're running free weekly webinars where I literally break down everything from product selection to paid ad strategy. And if you're serious about building a massive profitable business and you want me and my team in your corner from day one, the application link is also in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and drop me a comment telling me what niche you're going after, because I promise you I reply to every single one. Apart from that, I'll see you in the next video.